Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now let's quickly solve this algebraic equation. All right, solution. We want to find x. Now we're going to find the LCM of 8 and 16 and also find the LCM of the other fractions that we have. All right, so what's the LCM of 8 and 16? It is 16. All right, so how many 8s can we see in 16? It is 2. 2 times 5x will give us 10x. Plus how many 16 can we see in 16 is 1. 1 times 1x will give us x equals to, all right, so we can make this x over 1 so that it can be a fraction just like 9 over 16. And we find the LCM of 16 and 1, which is 16. How many 16 can we see in 16 is 1 times 9. How many 1 can we see in 16? It is 16 times x, 16x. Okay. Alright, so 10x plus x will give us 11x. So we have 11x over 16 equals to 9 plus 16x. We can add that, so we're going to write it again. 9 plus 16x over 16. Alright, so the denominator are the same. We're having 16 and 16 as the denominators, so we can cancel out. Then we have 11x equals to 9 plus 16x. Let's bring the 16 and 11x together, all right, because they are like terms. So we have 11x, move this plus 16, it becomes minus 16x equals to 9. Okay, now 11x minus 16x will give us minus 5x. So minus 5x equals to 9. We then divide both sides by minus 5. So we have x equals to 9 divided by minus 5. And that's same thing as x equals to minus 9 over 5. Okay, so this is the value of x. X equals to minus 9 over 5. Now let's solve something very similar to that. Let's do something very similar to that. Let's solve this. 1 over x minus 1 over x plus 1 equals to 1 over 6. All right, so let's solve this and write our answer under the comment section. Thanks guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and if you are not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. See you in my next video.